Even though I have the all too common bleeding auto dimming rear view mirror, I've never felt the need to use my rear wiper, so let's clean up the look of this back window and delete it. There's supposed to be some sort of cover over the lower part of this wiper, but mine doesn't have one. Use a 13mm socket to take the nut off. I like to lift the rear wiper arm and lightly rock the base back and forth to free the wiper arm from the spline. Disconnect the hose for the washer fluid and the wiper arm can be put aside. Use an 11mm socket with an extension to remove the 3 nuts that are holding the wiper motor onto the rear liftgate. Disconnect the washer hose from the inside of the grommet, and with a little finagling around the wire harness, the wiper motor is free and can be dropped down. The wiper motor relay box comes out by pulling it straight down. If the connector is stuck, use a pick or a small screwdriver to unclip it. There are 2 plastic push tabs holding the relay box in place. The 2 rubber grommets come out easily, and there will definitely be years of dirt around the edges, so clean that up with your favorite window cleaner. A 2-pack of the correct size plugs can be purchased through the link in the description below. All you need is a little silicone to make a watertight seal. Run a thin bead of silicone around the outside below the lip, and be sure to use a little extra in the area where the little clips are. Make sure to keep the little clips you saw before at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position when installing the plugs. The plugs are a close fit, so most of the silicone will be pushed under the edge of the lip during the install. Push the plug into place and use something like a paper towel or a microfiber rag to clean up any excess silicone. I know some people will say that they use their rear wiper all the time, so I understand that this modification isn't for everyone. Personally, I think it gives the back glass a much cleaner look. There's still a little wire and hose management to be done before buttoning it all up. Fold the washer hose in half and use a couple of zip ties to cut off any chance of accidental leakage. Use another zip tie to keep the hose and the wiper motor connector harness up and out of the way before reinstalling the plastic trim. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.